Hello friends, welcome to Java World. Today we will learn about Java data types and how we can use different data types in Java program. So basically there are two types of data type available in Java, primitive and non-primitive. On the left hand side you can see these all are primitive data types and these all are non-primitive data types. As we are just initiating, we will not go in detail about what is primitive and non-primitive, but for your basic understanding you can see the primitive data types are in smaller case only, and non-primitive all are in uppercase. Okay, so we will learn everything this primitive and non-primitive in detail, but let's now try to understand how we can use these data types in our program. So each and every individual data types are having its own range, means the byte data type size is 8 bits and its range is minus 128 to 127. So you can maximum value stored in byte data type variable is minus 128 to plus 127. Same way for short data type, its size is 16 bits and its range is this. Same way for integer data type, its size is 32 bits and its range is this. So the maximum value which you can store inside the integer variable is this one, positive, and the smallest value this negative value. Same way for long, this is its size and its range is this. For float, its size is 32 bits and its range is this. And for double also, its size is 64 bits and this is its range. So let's now learn about how we can use these all data types in Java program. So let's now go inside the Eclipse and try to create a new program. I am right clicking on this default package, new, and selecting a class, create a new class, data fun. You can give appropriate name, and so all the words first letter should be capital while we are providing a name for the class. So right now you can see the data D is capital and font F is capital, so it will look better, right? So this way we should give a name for the Java classes. So public, it has created class, public class data fun. Here class and public are the keywords, okay, and data fun is the name of the class. So as we have already seen in previous videos, for each and every Java program we need a main method to run the particular program, right? So right now we can see I have created the main method, and the prototype, the structure, the syntax must be same as this, right? You can change the variable name here, the string, then square brackets, and args is the string array, and we are giving it a name args. You can change the variable name can be different, but its syntax should be similar. Okay, like I can give data back. Same way you can change the name of this variable. Okay, so this is a method. Okay, so public static void means this is a main method, and each and every individual method is having its own scope. The curly braces define the scopes, where this particular method starts and where this particular method ends. Okay, same way for each and every individual class also its scope. So this particular class starts over here and it's getting completed over here. So inside the method only we can write a logic. So right now I am inside the method. Now we will try to use the different data types. So there are different data types available, like boolean, right? So in boolean data type I am giving its variable name yes, no. Okay, so in boolean data type we can store true or false value. So right now I have stored true. So this is the data type, this is the name of the variable, and this is the assignment operator, and this is the value. So we have assigned a true value to yes, no variable. Then we'll use the byte value, byte tiny. I am giving the variable name is tiny. Then I am assigning value 10 over here. Then sort variable, I am giving its name small, variable name is small. This sort is a data type and I am assigning its value, and value I will assign. Then int, then age, then 29. So each and every respective statement, like this is one statement, right? So the statement which we write inside the method are getting completed using the semicolon. This is called a semicolon. Okay. And same we float data type, float, we can store means floating point values inside the float variable. Height 7.1 f. So for float variable we need to provide f after the value which we assign to the particular variable. Here float is a data type, height is a variable name, equal to is an operator, 7.1 f is a value assigned to this height variable. Then long distance, then this double kilometer, that 796. Okay, 796.56. So this way we can utilize the different data types in our program. Wherever we require, we can utilize the appropriate data type. So, and we can print all these values in output using the system.out.println. System is a class, out is one object inside the system class, and println is a method inside this outs class, out belonging to one particular class, right? And in that particular class there is a println method. So basically right now, just for the sake of understanding, just understand like this: system is a class, out is one member variable inside the system class, and println is a method belonging to this out objects class. And inside the println, this parenthesis, we can write our variable or statements or anything, whatever we wanted to print in the output. So we will print yes no variable name, then we will join in the plus operator, then name of the variable. Okay, and same with tiny. This is just a label, means inside the double quote we can write a label. It's not like it should be similar to the variable, but for the sake of your understanding we can keep it same, so we can have idea about which variable represents which value. Okay, so I am just copy pasting the same statement and just replacing the variables for your understanding. Okay, okay, so let's now just run this program and see. You can see this is the output. So in yes no variable, it has stored true, tiny has 10, small has 19, a is 29, and 7. So you can print all the values using a single statement as well. You doesn't require to use the separate system.out.println. Okay, so like this. So I am just copy pasting and appending. Okay, small, then age, something like this. Okay, so let's just now try to run the program again. So you can see yes no time is small, it has printed everything in a single line, right? Now we wanted to print everything in a separate line, so how you can print that, right? So you wanted to print tiny in a separate line, so provide /n before tiny, then semi provide /n before small word, semi provide /n before age, and run the program again. It will print everything in a separate line. So I think means this way you can create a variable using the data type, you can assign value to the variable, and you can print the variable value in output using a single sysout statement. Sysout means system.out.println, and you can also use different system.out.println to print your values. Okay, I hope you might have understand what is variable and how we can assign value to the variable. So thank you for watching, friends, and in next video we will learn about how we can perform different operation on the variables. Okay, thank you.